Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the third exercise script which I have provided to you. The name is GEE underscore exercise 3. In this script, what it does is if you click on the map inside MIS, Miyando Irrigation System, it will show you the time series chart of precipitation. You can also adjust the dates later on if you want to see a different timeline. So this is one of the advantage of Google Earth Engine that okay, it also has some data display and analytics capability. So in this script, we are using the chart capability, charts, creating charts from time series of image collection. So here you can see I have imported two data sets. One is MIS, it's a Meandop scheme shapefile, which you can do it from your shapefile, or the one which I have already shared to you. Um, Now, the next another import I have done is GPM. So if you search for GPM, you can see that the global precipitation measurement options are there. Monthly are there. I think it's daily, but what I have imported here is the monthly one. You click on it and you can see all the details, the bands available. You can see the second band is the precipitation. It's in millimeter per hour. Um, So this is the one which I have imported. You have to remember that when you import GPM or any other data like this, it is global. So we have to limit that to our study area and the usual steps. In this script, the first part after the import of the data, the first part is I have defined how many functions? Two functions here. The first function is called get days in a month. So that function will convert if there is a month, for any month it will convert, it will return n, which is the number of days. For example, for January it will return 31, like that. So depending on the year and the month, it will return the number of days. And this function you can replicate or you can use it to any other script. And the next function is to convert from millimeter per hour to millimeter per month. So this function will return the image from millimeter per hour to millimeter per month. You can see you are multiplying the image with the number of days and number of hours in a day, which is 24, to convert it to per month. Why? Because GPM, as you saw already in the metadata, it was shown that the unit of precipitation is millimeter per hour. So the functions end here. What you need to know is that these functions can be reused for any other property, and with any other data set, similar data set. So these functions are reusable. Now print GPM, which will show you the metadata in the console here. Um, Now what we are going to do is we are going to filter the GPM using dates. So we want to see the precipitation variation from October 2018 to September 2019, which is the crop year over Miandok, and we only want to select one band, which is the precipitation. If you, if you remember what you saw in the metadata, the second band was precipitation. Now in this variable PCP, we are going to apply the function monthly, which means the function here, the monthly function here. So the script, the command to do that is called map. So the map in brackets, any function means it will apply this function to all the bands in PCP. For example, there are these all the bands representing the time period here. So it will apply all those bands in millimeter per hour to millimeter per month and write to it to new image collection called PCP underscore monthly. Now here we are adding the layer MIS to see the visualize the scheme boundary. Now under this we are creating a chart based on PCP underscore monthly, which will show a chart here upon click anywhere in Miando. So this entire stretch or set of code is like this. You can, I don't want to go in detail here. You can see that the image collection is settled, selected here. The band is selected here in the chart. So the chart is based on a ui.chart.image.series. The image series is PCP underscore monthly with the band precipitation. Um, Now you can change some common parameters like the title, the axis, the vertical axis, the horizontal axis, y-axis and x-axis. What do you want to give the title? Yeah, you can make it more meaningful here. You see that the label is ETA, which is wrong, which doesn't make sense. You can put precipitation here. Um, yeah, the width and height of the chart, etc., etc. You can change those parameters, play with it, and see what you get. You just have to run it, and you see that it is zoomed into Myandob, and then you can change it to satellite if you want. Mm, Click on anywhere inside Myandob, and here you will see the monthly precipitation. Now, if you want to change it into a different timeline, for example, you want to see the chart from 2018 January, just change the date here, then it should uh, work. Uh, click on click somewhere, then only the chart will come. See, you can see that from January 2018, it's visible now. You can also go back in time. I don't know from which year it is available, but let's try with the 2015 to 2019. Then click on a map, and it will produce it. So this is how you can create a chart from precipitation image collection. You can adapt this script to any other image collection available in Google Earth Engine. Thank you.